Hi, I'm Serhiy from Regex. Today I want to show you a dashboard that we created for a marketing department of a large construction company. Previously they were spending 16 hours per week to gather and analyze their marketing data from 10 different sources. They looked for a solution that would allow automatically to gather and visualize marketing data to get the insights faster. We created a multifunctional dashboard in Looker Studio. It's comprised of 4 blocks. The first block shows the activities or social media posts and the cost related to creation of those posts. So this dashboard is comprised in the form of a funnel. The second block shows the awareness or interest that users show in the company content. On the third block, we analyze the interaction of users with the content. The fourth block, or the end of the funnel, shows the results that we get. For example, acquired users, achieved goals, or sessions and page views that were achieved on the company website. Additionally, we have different filters that we can apply to see the data in different dimensions. Also, we created 2 extra pages to show the data in different views and group it in different dimensions. With this dashboard, the marketing department achieved significant time savings, eliminated human error, and what is most important, now they can extract insights and perform analysis that were previously impossible to do. If you are looking for a similar dashboard or any other data visualization or reporting solution, just send us a message. All the contacts you will find in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you later. Goodbye.